All right, here's what I'm using, guys. This is the Shaking My Head Jig Heads B Latimer and the Z-Man Fatties Thick Sticks. Oh, I think I got one. Oh, yes. Got one. With the fatty sticks. Yes. First one of the day. Ooh, nice. Round guy. Hell yeah. Barely hooked on. That's awesome. I'm not gonna weigh him. I'd say he's probably pushing close to 2 pounds. I think I got one. Decent. Another one on the fatty sticks. Awesome. Fish number 2. Just about the same size as the last one. Maybe slightly smaller. Right there in the side of the mouth. Perfect. Thank you again. We're getting to this little roundabout. I don't know if there's any depth to it, so we're gonna... Oh, we just got hit. We're on. Ski. Yep. I was sick. Oh, he came out and slammed it, dude. In the net. Awesome. First topwater frog bass. Yeah, buddy. About the same size as all the other ones. Right now, I'm throwing the home poured 5.5 inch, I think, on a beast hook, weighted beast hook. Yep. We gonna. Damn. I just saw a bass right there. Guess we could start throwing. There we go. Got one. Oh. Oh, there's one under it now. There you go, best one of the day. I've got our bag on the homemade. Ate it. I'm on. Got a ratfish. Yes. Yes. We did it. Happy birthday. All right, at the mouth of Arbuckle Creek, we found a rat lover.
I like sex, I like drugs, I like money, okay, I like drugs.